So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Badger 5 half horsepower garbage disposal by instinct aerator. We replaced some other plumbing components as well. We took things apart. Down here you had a couple offset 90s. An old kit that came over. The trap was coming straight out, and so they came up off of it, 90'd over and 90'd up, and tied in, came over to here. So it was kind of a train wreck in there. We didn't like the way that it was installed. So we dropped the old trap. We gave you a new tubular P-trap right there, so that's brand new. Of course, that whole line was clogged, so we cleaned it out for you all the way back to the wall. Put a 45-degree ABS fitting back there, a little adapter. Then, of course, tubular trap up to a brand new telescoping kit over to the disposal. Tailpiece up to your existing basket strainer. So this is yours. That's yours, but this is our piece. And then, of course, that's ours. And then, of course, this telescopes in and out, our disposal. We did give you a new hose here as well, 7/8 drain hose. The existing hose coming from the dishwasher is over here. You can see the white transitions to the 5/8 black hose back there. We did replace the air gap, so feel free to use the old brushed nickel one or the new chrome one that came with it. If you want to replace this, you certainly can. I mean, it's fine, it still works. So we're going to leave that one here because it came with the new air gap. So this was clogged as well, so brand new. So now everything as far as plumbing goes, you know, as long as that discharge hose there stays clear, air gap's new, hose is new, everything you should be in good shape. Brand new line cord as well, power cord comes with it. And so we've run water down here, tested it out, everything here looks good. Please monitor this. You know, it's all brand new. The mounting gasket up here is all brand new. The other one we had to cut out. It was corroded and falling apart. But monitor this area down here. You know, make sure you don't have any water. Any issues with it, give us a holler. We'll come out and take care of it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.